from the world's capital markets. Here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by CMS Prime.
Good morning and thank you for joining our Daily Outlook. And today we'll cover the changes in the euro-dollar pair. Emily will be sharing insights from our trading desk.
The euro-dollar pair saw a minor rise of 0.1% in the last session. The MACD is giving a positive signal. The Bitcoin-dollar pair plummeted 1% in the last session. The MACD is giving a negative signal. The pound gained 0.4% against the dollar in the last session. The stochastic indicator is giving a positive signal. The Aussie-dollar pair traded sideways in the last session. The ROC is giving a positive signal.
Moving on to world financial news.
US crude oil inventories fell for a second straight week as refineries raised their capacity use to its highest level in more than a year, according to data released by the US Energy Information Administration. The Nasdaq and S&P 500 hit record highs on Wednesday, fueled by gains in Nvidia and other Wall Street heavyweights ahead of inflation data and quarterly earnings reports due this week. It was the fifth straight day of intraday record highs for the S&P 500 and the Nasdaq. In a long-awaited move, Mt. Gox, the infamous Bitcoin exchange that collapsed in 2014, has finally started repaying its creditors. This resolution to one of crypto's most notorious scandals is not just closing a chapter to one of Bitcoin's darkest hours, but is also actively shaping the asset's market dynamics in real time.
Thank you. Coming up, our chief analyst review of today's most interesting economic events.
The UK's gross domestic product will be released at 6 GMT. Australia's consumer inflation expectations at 1 GMT. The US initial jobless claims at 12:30 GMT. Germany's harmonised index of consumer prices will be released at 6 GMT. The US consumer price index at 12:30 GMT. The Eurozone's Eurogroup meeting at 7 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed today's Market Outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day.